Today I'm sharing how to clean chicken feet bought fresh from the market. It is the best sauce for cooking chicken feet dishes, such as braised chicken feet. However, when bought from the market, it is not thoroughly clean, so we have to properly clean them before cooking. I have 1 kilogram, which make about 5 to 6 servings. Let's get started. First, check in between the toes and on the palm of the chicken. If there is any dirt or flaky skin, scrape it out with the knife. If there is any hardened skin, calluses or corns, trim it off with the knife or shear. Then, declaw the chicken feet with a sharp knife. Cut the tips on the chopping board. A pair of kitchen shears can be used as well. Add all the trimmed chicken feet into a large glass bowl for washing. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of salt over the chicken feet and carefully rub them evenly to distribute the salt. This helps to get rid of the meaty smell of the chicken feet. A glass bowl is recommended as metal one may react with the vinegar later. Place the glass bowl under running water and rinse off the salt. Drain all the water. Repeat for another 2 to 3 times or until the water becomes clear. Then add 200 ml of vinegar to the chicken feet. Rubbing them to evenly distribute it about 10 to 15 seconds. This tenderizes the skin and adds a little flavor to it too. Wash the vinegar off by rinsing the feet under running water. And draining it. Repeat for 2 to 3 times or until the water becomes clear. Alright, the chicken feet are quite clean now. Let's blanch it before cooking to remove any impurities and scum. In a wok, submerge the chicken feet in clean water. Switch on the heat to medium. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. This takes about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the water is boiling. The chicken feet has also released a lot of scum and impurities. Give the chicken feet a stir to ensure that every part is submerged. Cover the wok and let it boil for another 3 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a basin of cold water. After 3 minutes, the water is boiling vigorously. Check if all the chicken feet are cooked and the color is evenly gray. Alright, they are done. Switch off the heat. Immediately remove the chicken feet with a strainer and submerge them in a basin with cold water for about 30 seconds. This shocks the chicken feet, stopping the cooking process and making the texture quite firm and perfect for cooking. Alright, the chicken feet are fully clean and ready for your next dish. Braise, steam, or prepare it in a salad. The possibilities are endless. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Thank you and bye-bye!